begin the rope twist braid, create a small ponytail near the front hairline and off to the side like shown. Secure the ponytail with an elastic and then take the Snowball Pom-Pom trim and secure the end of the trim under the elastic. Before continuing the rope twist braid, pause to gather the remaining hair into a low side ponytail on the opposite side. Make sure that this ponytail is smooth and secure because the hair above it will become the canvas for the hair tattoos. Then return to the first ponytail, split it into 2 sections, and begin twisting each section to the same side. I'm twisting mine to the right. Then reach down, find the next pom-pom on the trim, and push it up and in between the 2 sections, and then cross the right section over the left section, securing the pom-pom in place. Repeat again, twisting both sections to the right, reaching down and pulling a pom-pom up in between the sections, and then crossing the right section over the left. Continue until the rope twist braid is long enough to reach the lower side ponytail. Place a thin elastic on the rope twist braid and then attach it to the lower ponytail with another thin elastic. If needed, adjust the rope twist braid to conceal the white trim underneath it. Next, combine the 2 large snowball ponytail elastics and place them around the lower ponytail. To finish, remove the thin elastic off the rope twist braid and tuck the end of the trim under the base of the lower ponytail. Next, get ready to place the hair tattoos on the hair by wetting a sponge and squeezing out the excess water. Cut out the first hair tattoo you would like to place on the hair. After you cut it out, be sure to remove the clear plastic sheet covering the tattoo. Then set the paper, tattoo side down, against the hair. Take the sponge and push it against the back of the tattoo. You want the entire paper wet but not dripping. Make sure to apply some gentle pressure to push the tattoo against the hair and off the paper. I like to wait 20 to 30 seconds before removing the back side of the tattoo. After waiting, begin to pull the paper off the back side of the tattoo, making sure the tattoo is staying against the hair. After the backing is removed off the tattoo, you can use the sponge to gently press the tattoo against the hair if there is any area of the tattoo that is raised up or not adhering to the hair. Continue adding more tattoos as you like. These hair tattoos are similar to the temporary tattoos used on skin. In fact, you can also use these on skin. Watch to see how I add a few more. There are a few different methods for taking hair tattoos out, including argan oil or baby oil, but I prefer clear tape. To do this, cut sections of tape about the size of the hair tattoo you are going to remove. Press the tape against the tattoo and then gently pull it off. I like to pull it off in a downward direction or the direction in which the hair lays. Repeat this until they are all removed. And that's it, you're all done. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to say thank you to everyone who has supported my braid boxes over the last 16 months. This is my final box, but I will continue to be sharing items in my braid box shop and in making more hair tutorial videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much.